Good morning. I've just had my shower. It's really gloomy today. I did not want to get out of bed. Adam actually stayed in bed. He's not going to stream this morning, I don't think. I think I'm going to take a slow morning. Molly just put up a new vlog. There's a few Vlogtobers that I would kind of like to get caught up on, and I wanted to finish the sock I was working on last night, but I ended up getting too tired, so I want to close the toe and cast on the second sock. Today I have this little container of new charms to put into the shop hopefully today. It's just a bunch of cute little, actually I did a lot of bread. Like, that's my favorite one. This is the kitty slice of buttered toast. I also tried something new and did like little walnut shells. So like I painted the back to make them look like walnuts and then put toadstools in them. I did little cookies of ghosts holding toadstools. Bear biscuits and gravy. Or it's just one biscuit, but it's a bear biscuit and he's got peppered gravy on his head. And then I need to work on pre-orders that are supposed to go out this week. Yeah, I'm gonna go make my coffee. So I actually took a nap in the middle of the morning, and we're gonna go out for lunch.
at you. No. Stop being bossy. I'm my own person. No. Don't give me lovey eyes. I know your tricks.
I see you wanting to bend down to get her. Yep.
I know your tricks.
Thank you so much. I knew you would give in.